Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process to be able to reinstate your disabled Facebook Business Manager account. As you can see, we notice suspicious activity on this account. Before you can request a review, you need to confirm your identity. And then when you look down, you see account restricted, and this business doesn't comply with our advertising terms, including section 1 of our e-commerce of our commerce eligibility requirements. So basically this account is restricted, and according to them, that is the reason they have stated there for why they restricted it. But probably this is the mistake. Most of the time, the account are actually one of the main reasons why the accounts are restricted. It is normally by a mistake, or maybe you actually violate a policy. And so I'll take you through a step-by-step process how you can appeal and get your account reinstated. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more powerful videos like this. So first of all, you need to confirm your identity. If you confirm your identity, you can request a review. So normally when you see account restricted, when you look at the right hand side, you see what you can do. So first of all, you log into your Facebook. When you log into your Facebook, you look at the left hand corner, you see Ad Manager. You click on the Ad Manager, it will bring you to the Ad Manager. Now, there are many types of restrictions. It could be an ad account restriction. It could be a user account restriction. It could be a business manager restriction. It could be a page restriction. So for this account, what you were seeing is a business manager restriction. But let's say it's an ad account or user account restriction. If it were ad account or user account, you will see here with a red headline warning that you are restricted from advertising, or your ad account is restricted from advertising, and you are not allowed to run that. You would have seen that red headline very clearly and boldly here, and then you will see learn more, okay, or see details. When you click, it will show you the details. However, if it is a page or business manager, as in the case of this restriction, you will see the restriction on the Ad Manager. You will have to come to account quality, and then you click on, if you click on the three lines and you click on account quality, it will take us to account quality. And if you go to account quality, any type of restriction, you will see it there. So if you are restricted and you don't know the type of restriction that you have, don't worry. Just come, click on the three lines, click on account quality. It will bring us to account quality. So as you can see, we are in account quality, and account quality, you can see you can go to account issues. Go, if you check on account issues, if you have anything under account issues, you will see it here. You see, as you can see, I have two outstanding issues. If you don't see anything here, you can come to either the Facebook account, and normally when your user account or your user ad account is restricted, this is where you will see the details of that restriction. And then also, if you have a business manager account, when you click on Meta Business Account, it will show here. So make sure you comb through all the sections to know the exact problem that you have. So this one is a business manager account restriction. So I need to confirm the identity in order to request a review. So as I said, if you figure out the exact type of restriction that you have, you need to now proceed on the restriction appeal. Now, if it is an ad account or user account restriction, this video will still help you to be able to do it, to be able to reinstate it. But this is a business manager account restriction, though this video will still help you to be able to reinstate a user account or ad account. But if you want an exact video where I reinstated a user account or ad account, check the video above. If you're also looking for an exact video where I reinstated a page, though this one can still help you reinstate a page. But if you want a specific video for page, check the video above. And if you are looking for an exact video where I reinstated a business manager account, then this is the exact example of that video. Okay, so as I said, we will now have to confirm identity in order to request a review. Now, if we confirm the identity and we are requesting the review for if it is a user account or other account, mostly when we confirm the identity, they will just ask us to request a review at the same time. But if it is a business manager, they may allow us to confirm the identity and come back later and request a review. So stay tuned, and then we go through step-by-step process. Okay. So first of all, before we request for the identity confirmation, we have to make sure we change the details on our Facebook account to match with the identity, the identification, the identity confirmation document you are using. So, for example, you are allowed to use either your national identity card, voter ID card, that's national voter ID card, driving license, passport, or national health insurance card. These are just a few of the documents you're supposed to use, and you have to make sure the picture, your picture on it is clear. Any ID card you are using, your picture and your birth date must be there with your first and last name. Your first, your last name, your date of birth, and your picture must be on it. Yeah. So, for example, if you look at this account, I have to check what's the first and last name. If it doesn't match, I have to go to settings. When you click on settings, you can go to settings. When you click on settings and privacy, you see settings below it. When you click on settings, it will take you to personal and account information. You click on personal and account information, go to your name, and then change it. If you don't know how to change your name, you have to follow that process to be able to change it. After you change it, you have to also come and make sure that you change your date of birth to match with what information is on the card. So, for example, after you change the name, then if your name already matches, you don't need to change it. But if it doesn't match, then you may need to change it. After that, you come to you click on your name on the left hand corner. You click on your about. Then after you click on your about section, you go to contact and basic info. Contact and basic info. Then you make sure that your birth date, the day, the month, the year, and your gender is matching exactly with what is on your card. You do that and you save it. After you are done with all that, you come back to account quality to confirm your identity. When you click on confirm identity, you click on upload image. Okay, so the picture is uploaded, everything is clear, and then after that, we will just we'll click on continue. So as you can see, the review has been requested. Now, after we request the review, we click on close. So you will still see identity confirmation required until the identity is confirmed. So when the identity is successfully confirmed, which normally takes less than 24 hours, you will see this confirmed identity will disappear. It will no longer be there. So you will see the request review will be very bold and I can click on it. But as of now, it's blurred because the identity is not confirmed. Now, as I was telling you, for some of you, after you submit the confirm identity, the identity confirmation, after you submit the card, your identity confirmation document, you will be able to directly request a review without having to wait for the identity to be confirmed. When you are done, when you submit the card, they will say continue to request review. So when you click on continue to request review, they will ask you of your reason why you want to request a review. And normally there are several reasons there. One of them will be it will ask you to be able to indicate the reason why you want to request the review. Yeah. So when you select, don't make a mistake to select maybe I don't know what policy I violated. Click on other reason, or you see another option that will allow you. Normally, the third option will allow you to be able to write whatever you want to write, and then request the review. So you choose that option, the option that will allow you to request the review, and then you write in detail, telling exactly why you are requesting the review. And after you are done, that when you submit it, you see when the identity confirmation is successful, the account will be reinstated. And when you come back to account quality and you check, you will see that your account will be reinstated. Yeah. So this account like this will be within some hours from now or some minutes. The identity confirmation will be successful, and I'm going to continue to proceed to request the review. So once again, thank you for watching. And when you follow this procedure, you will get your account reinstated. Have a great day.